Okay, so thank you very much for this invitation. We are from the Aseguradora del Sur company, and we want to talk about our experience in Zoho SalesIQ implementation in our company. Just let me briefly introduce you about our company. Aseguradora del Sur is an insurance company located in Quito, Ecuador. We are a medium company. We got about 350 employees, and we have been working with Zoho about 9 years. My name is Marco Diaz. I'm CRM and Innovation Analyst, and today with me is Mr. Vinicio Gordon, CRM and Innovation Coordinator. So about the setup and planning of this project, we used to have a previous chatbot in our website, but this was very inefficient since we couldn't control it or transfer to operators, or even have we couldn't have a report neither. So we find here an opportunity. We start our researching about Zoho SalesIQ. There's a lot of information in the web. So we started researching about Zoho SalesIQ configuration. We had Zoho SalesIQ included in our Zoho One license. So this was absolutely our best option in order to integrate all Zoho stack and applications. We find a project scope in order to fulfill all customer service team needs in order to implement SalesIQ in our company. This is our roadmap or project steps. We had 5 main steps. First of all, we had the installation and research. The code installation was a pretty easy and simple step. We also keep researching about the features and what of the features can we be useful for our needs. Then we start with the personalization and working with the bot appearance with the marketing team. They prepare a marketing plan to the launching. We work with the brand set up into the SalesIQ configuration. Then step number 3 was a configuration and customize. This was the main step in our project because here's where all the flow configuration and integration was made in this step. We used all the native configuration in Zoho SalesIQ by our own. It was a very simple and easy to use. Then we got a test and training. We start with 6 operators in one department and 1 administrator. We made 2 sessions of training and Q&A test. Finally, we wrap up the project phase 1 and map the next steps. This was a 6 weeks project. We go live in February 1st this year. About the bot is installation, and as I mentioned before, it was pretty simple. We just insert this code into our HTML body tag, and then we can test. We have a website for testing environment, so it was very useful for us to keep testing and have demo with our changes. Then we start working with the personalization of the bot. We decided to give the bot a personality. Together with our marketing team, we have been working with the sketch until we have the final bot. His name is Azurito, and part of the marketing plan is the expectation, the launching, and the continuity. We use the custom sticker float to achieve to include our bot in the right bottom of our website, as you can see in this image. So Azurito bot nowadays have 4 options in the main menu. We got about 40 cards in the flow. We also customized the profanity library. We include 6 articles. We have about 10 canned replies, and we publish 25 frequently asked questions in our bot. As I mentioned before, we work with 1 department and 6 operators so far, and this here's how it looks. We work with the flow configuration. This is a codeless bot. We don't need any code in here to configure this flow. So it was a very nice experience working with the flow and the cards. We got a lot of blocks options during the configuration. Nowadays we have 1 brand available. In the blocks, we use the Zoho Desk integration for the offline labor time when operators cannot take the chat. We create a ticket in our Zoho Desk interface. We also got a CRM, Zoho CRM integration with visitor fields. We use articles. We forward the chat from the bot to a human operator. We got also a block of rating after in the end of the chat. We also have links to send the customer to a different website, and we use 1 plug in this flow. Plugs are for integrate a web service with the SalesIQ chat. So we used to have a web service available in our company. So we use this web service in plug configuration option in order to give the customer a very customized experience. Finally, our favorite features of SalesIQ is the native report. We have a native report for chat, visitors, operators. So we have a lot of reporting in SalesIQ. As I mentioned before, also the Zoho Stack integration is one of our favorite features. We have attraction option with the proactive chat. Even the customer don't start a conversation, you can start the conversation with the customer, and this increase the opportunities to solve something to our customers. We also use a lot the screen sharing during the bot chatbot conversation with the operator. We can share a screen to the customer or ask permission to the customer to share this, his screen. Mobile application, SalesIQ mobile application was very useful for our operators too, in order to receive notifications in real time and give a fast attention to the customers. We also have the voice call included in the SalesIQ. As I mentioned, the self-configuration and customize this of SalesIQ is awesome. Everything that you can do, but your own. You can customize everything according to your needs. Also, the email transcript is very useful. Operators and customer can transcribe the email, transcript to email, all the chat record. Also, we use to include image, PDF, and voice record into the chat. We want to share you our results from the launching in February 1st until now. We have the results of total visitors of our website, and so far we have 380 chats attended. That is a very good number for our company. We have the 286 chat closed and only 101 chat transferred. Finally, we are planning our next phase of the project. We want to use the Instagram integration, WhatsApp integration, Facebook Messenger integration, Zoho Booking integration. We are using Zoho Booking nowadays, so we want to include the Zoho Booking integration with the SalesIQ, and we want to use more plugs into our chat. Thank you very much for your attention, and